So first question, what is a design pattern?
Okay. So a design pattern is basically a simple and elegant solution to a recurring problem.
Exactly. So these kind of problems that you're most likely gonna face as a software developer and that have been solved already over and over, and it's been documented on how you can solve those problems effectively.
So basically, you don't reinvent the wheel every single time.
Exactly. Because reinventing the wheel is probably a waste of time, and it's likely that you might end up with suboptimal solutions.
Yes.
So worse solutions.
Yes.
Because like a design pattern captures years and years of experience of many developers.
Exactly.
If you try to recreate it on your own, it might take you years and years and years to end up with an elegant solution such as a design pattern. So the idea is to stand on the shoulder of giants.
That's it, exactly.
You build a solid foundation, and then on top of that, you bring your own contribution. So instead of reinventing the wheel, learn the solid foundation, elegant solutions, and build on top of it.
Yes. And we have a quote by Eric Evans here. And Eric Evans says in Domain-Driven Design, when an experienced developer looking at the domain problem sees a familiar sort of responsibility or a familiar web of relationships, he or she can draw on the memory of how the problem was solved before. What models were tried and which worked? What difficulties arose in implementation and how were they resolved? The trial and error of that earlier experience is suddenly relevant to the new situation. Some of these patterns have been documented and shared, allowing the rest of us to draw on the accumulated experience.
That's it. So design patterns give you elegant solutions to recurring problems. So it helps your code be more flexible, maintainable, decoupled, and all the good traits you want in a software system. And they also give you a vocabulary to talk about those problems.
Exactly. You can communicate with others what the problem is and what solution can be applied to that problem. So this is very important because if I tell you I'm going to use the decorator pattern to solve this problem, then you instantly can identify and can know what do I mean by that. So there is an effort for eliminating miscommunication there. So that's very, very good, very important as well.
The better your vocabulary, the better you can communicate your intent. You can take these shortcuts of just saying a word like decorator and conveying the meaning instantly to your peers. But both sides need to understand the vocabulary for it to work.
Yes.
Of course.
Yes.
That's why you have design patterns. So a design pattern have a common name. They refer to a specific problem. They provide solutions to that problem with trade-offs and variations of the pattern as well.
Yes, exactly. And as you said before, they are well documented. So all these things are known to anyone who is looking for them.
Exactly. If we share the same vocabulary, we can take shortcuts and achieve better results. So that's it.